Paano nga ba mag-calculator reset? So, ang pipindutin lang is shift and then itong 9 na clear. And then, pipili ka ng setup, memory, or all. Kung setup yung i-delete mo, it means that the calculator will reset the mode. Automatically siya magiging mode 1 and bring back the calculator to its default configuration. Halimbawa, kapag yung angle mo, it will always become degree mode. And also, pangalawang is yung memory. Sa memory naman, all values stored in memory variables will be deleted. Kapag all, both setup and memory will be deleted. So, pipili ka, halimbawa 1, and then press equal if yes, AC to cancel. So, equals, and then, ang gagawin mo na is completed na siya. So, sabi ng calculator, we can press AC key. And babalik na sa dati. Ganun lamang